The last time I was at the IFTAs with our next presenter, her waters broke. I wonder what stunt she's planning tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, Amy Huberman.
A leading actor must be charismatic, sensitive, strong, and bankable. Our nominees for leading actor in film are all of these and so much more. The nominees are
Moe Dunford, Patrick's Day.
Ma'am, tell the doctor.
Good morning, Stephen.
Tell him you know her. We'll see who's imagining things.
Did you sleep well?
Karen, tell him about Karen from the hotel. Karen Prescott.
Do we have to do this again?
Colin Farrell, Miss Julie.
Kiss my hand and say thank you.
Miss Julie, listen to me. Kathleen is close by. You listen to me.
Kiss my hand first.
Listen to me.
Kiss my hand first.
Blame yourself then.
For what?
For what? Are you a child?
Michael Fassbender,
My most
Frank.
likable song ever. Coca-Cola, lipstick ring, go dance all night, dance all night. Kiss me, just kiss me, Nefertiti.
Jack Rayner, Glassland.
I'm gonna buy the new plates, man. I'm gonna go out and work my arse off for the rest of the week driving a taxi. And what are you gonna do? You're gonna drink and drink and drink, and you're gonna pass out in that bed.
and the IFTA goes to Moe Dunford for Patrick's Day.
Hey, ma'am. No, the other one. I feel very lucky. Thank you, Terry McMahon, for being brave. Thank you for writing from the heart about a story that is so important in Ireland right now, the stigma about mental health. On the weekend that's in it to get this award, where Ireland has given the right to vote for anyone, whoever the hell they want to love, I'm really proud to take this award home. Kerry, Catherine, Philip, Aaron, all the crew, Underground, Rachel, Lindsay, Michael Lavelle, Nicky Moss, all of you, thank you so much. And this goes out to me mum, me brother, me dad, and me little boy Charlie. I love you. Thank you.